Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and assalamu alaikum guys. This is week 8 stuff regarding your subject physics, and which we are going to study today is chapter 20 section 1 about generators, motors and mutual inductance. The pages we are going to cover ranges from 700 to 702. So let's start. The preview of this chapter. What are the main things we are going to focus on the first passage and till to the end are our objectives: generators and alternating currents like AC currents, motors and mutual inductance. And the objectives, we will state that describe how generators and motors operate, how they are operating. Explain. There are explanations as well regarding the energy conversion that take place in generators and motors. And then describe how mutual induction occurs in circuits. The first one, generators and alternating currents. Generators, look at the name. Remember a few words regarding the science, and this is the science fact, that simply a single topic, simply a single entitlement of any topic can give you a clear idea regarding what might be the purpose, or what are the purpose usually, what we are going to study. You can assume, by the way, like generators, generators, how to produce something, how to generate something, how to operate something. And alternating current like AC current. Understand? You can call here in Arabs, we call them like kahraba. Alternating currents. All the electricity appliances which can be operated through electricity, we call them alternating current equipments. Now come to the point regarding generators. A generator is a machine that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Now mechanical energy are the energy, or is a type of energy which comes through handmade things. Got the idea? Into electrical energy. Like here in the Gulf specifically, if you are going to observe, if you are going to compare this Gulf with the Asian countries, so mostly we have the hydro power plants there, or hydel energy there, like which comes from the water. Understand? And here most of the energies are coming through mechanics. So a simple generator is a machine that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Now what are generators? Generators use induction to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. It facilitates to convert mechanical energy to, it can give courage, like you can say, to the mechanical form, to change themselves into the electrical energy. A generator produces a continuously changing EMF, electromotive force. A generator produces a continuously changing the direction, changing the speed, and all those things, etc. Now come to the slide 5th. Induction of an EMF in an AC generator. AC generator means what? Alternating current generators. You can see the induced EMF for the A, the induced EMF for the B, for the C, and for the D respectively. They are all the same. Look at the direction. You can see from A, B, C, D. These are the positive and negative terminals which are attached through wires to each other. You can see the inductions clearly here. Look at the direction. Look at for the A. Yes, they are opposite to each other. Now they are opposite to each other as well. As we are gonna to bend this coil, understand its direction regarding the theta, and you can say like the direction of the speed or the alternating current speed, they will be changed here. Look at the induced EMF here. Now we are going to bend it again. Now look at the direction again occurs the same. Now look at this direction, a flat one. What's gonna happen? So B and D you can compare, and A and C you can compare here as well. Look at these are what? Inductions of an EMF and an AC generators. Now generators and alternating current. We will remove this continued word as it is continued already. Okay. Generators and alternating current. Alternating current is an electric current that changes direction at regular intervals. Now regular interval means what? By the passage of time. Interval means what? Like regular intervals, like the span of time. It changed the electrical current. Look at, is an electric current. Alternating current is an electric current that changes direction at regular intervals. Regular interval means what? Like continuous. In a continuous manner. If you are going to give them span of time, it will change its direction. Understand? Remember, alternating current it forms like a theta. We call them sine theta. Remember, because the trough and crust, as far as we are studying, like as we studied like for the waves in the previous grade 11, and you can say like in all the physics in general. So look at how the waves changes direction from crest to trough. Understand? Similarly, this is a kind of pulsation there. Understand? This is not a DC which is going to like to make an certain angle with the cosine theta. No, with the x-axis. No, this is what like the sine theta. Alternating current, AC current, is what like the flow of electrons. Understand? The flow of charge, the flow of electrons. Like these are what they are spinning all the time. That's why it changes direction. So we call them what? Alternating currents. Understand? Alternating current can be converted to direct current by using a device called a commutator. Understand? It is known as what? Commutator. Alternating current can be converted to direct current like the DC current. This is what? Direct current like DC currents by using a device called a commutator to change the direction of the current. Now what is a commutator? It will change the direction of the current. That's why we are going to convert any direct current by using a device. We call them what? Commutator. Motors. Now generator portion been finished. Now come to the motors. Motors are machines that converts electrical energy to mechanical energy. Motors are machines that converts electrical energy to mechanical energy, like from the electricity to operate any device or any handy things you can say, or anything which can give you like a kind of performance. Understand? Mechanical things which are going to produce any energy form as well. Motors use an arrangement similar to that of generators. They are using a similar arrangement, you can say, as the generators did. Back EMF. Now look at the phenomena. The back EMF is the EMF induced in a motor's coil that tends to reduce the current in the coil of a motor, not to increase. If this would have been like the increment, so the usual induction or induces, you can say incremented EMF. But here we have what? The phenomena for the back EMF. So the back EMF is the EMF induced in a motor's coil that tends to reduce the current in the coil of a motor. We call them what? Back EMF. Okay. Now the simple topic now is regarding the mutual inductance. Mutual means what? Baha. You can say the relationship between two. One is gonna to help other. The one force or the one implications or the effects, the one effect on other in general, we call them what? Mutual. Like similarly we studied in the chemistry a covalent bond. Covalent means what? Covalent bond, like they are mutual as well, like they are exchanging something with each other. They are gonna to imply force on each other, or one will got benefit or another will got benefit, but a single one only. Mutual phenomena means what? Like a kind of relationship between two. The ability of one circuit to induce an EMF in a nearby circuit. Okay, the ability of one circuit to induce an EMF in a nearby circuit like another one in the presence of a changing current. Yeah, of course, it is the current which allows one circuit to imply their effect on other. So we call them what? Mutual inductance. Look at the general. The ability of one circuit to induce an EMF in a nearby circuit in the presence of a changing current is called what? Mutual inductance. There is a Faraday law regarding the mutual inductance. We will discuss it later. Thank you so much.